Yeah. Future Hendrix. Days love, I got you, baby. You got what I want. I swear. You got what I want.
So it's now 9:30 and I'm only now waking up. Due to the weather, it's pretty rainy today. And when it's raining, I just can't get up. At least we don't have school today. Barbados is still on storm watch, so there will be no leaving home until we get the official all clear. So hoping everyone stays safe, and I'll see you in a bit. It's pretty cold outside, but unfortunately the warm sweater that I have is in the wash, so I guess I'll be freezing this morning. That sound that y'all are hearing, that's a generator. You should always have a generator at your house. I just don't know what to expect. Out here is looking clear. Here is looking like rain. Out here is looking clear, but then down there is looking like heavy rains to come. So I guess we just have to be prepared for anything. Outside changing again. Outside changing. This rain about to hit hard. Be prepared. It's so cold right now. We didn't get anything last night, but I believe the storm is going to come now. Don't get complacent. Be prepared for the worst. I honestly can't believe I'm still shirtless. I know it's so cold, but we chopping. We're ready for the rain, guys. Be ready for the rain. So it's time to get my devices charged. About to charge my laptop, about to charge my phone, about to get everything charged. But you cannot be guaranteed what can happen. Make sure that when you're ready, I remember, stay chopping. As expected, the rain is here. Man looking for shelter. I tell you, don't be caught unprepared. Rain's coming from far down south. This about to be an hour rain the least. Stay inside, stay safe. I don't know how, but the rain is coming through my window, so fortunately I can keep it open, get some breeze. But ever seen it missile start flying? You know you gotta shut when the windows are put the shutters. So keep one of the eyes out. I can't last it. Time to put on a sweater. Last thing I want right now is a cold. This is unbearable. Much better, fam. Much better. We chopping it up.
I just took some mileage with us. Got some bitch from Flawless with us. She gon' fuck your squad with us. I'ma fuck her bras with us. Bitch from Pakistan with us.
Put on some popcorn, find some movies to watch, and get this thing cracking. This weather, as long as it doesn't get any worse, it's premium. This is everyday weather right now, for sure. Music to my ears. Music to my ears, buddy. Loving it, man. Loving it. The windows still open. No rain coming in. No missiles ain't flying. We just cooling, buddy. Chop it up. Gotta be losing it. Rain falling and I on the road. Never this. Never this. Go inside. BAJANS never cease to amuse me. Barbados on Star Watch. Barbados on Star Watch. And people walking about with umbrellas. Never yet. When you can't find your cat and she on top the platform cooling. I like it. I like it, buddy. She cooling, man. She cooling up. Easy there. Easy, buddy. Can't get that. Still dry. Don't think no. She chopping too. All of it chopping. Nah. All jokes aside though. F Barbados on Star Watch are closed down. Your house should be closed down too. There's no way you should be on the road walking out or even driving in this weather. Standing in the house. I can't stress it enough. Standing in the house. Happen. Cool. Alright, let me fix it. You cool? Come man. You can't be cold in here. You can't be cold. Keep warm, buddy. Alright. Star Matthew in the cart.
The wind is blowing and this wind is blowing hard in the storm.
Star Matthew chopping the top, buddy. Stay safe. I look out my window earlier and see people walking about with umbrellas. Really? Standing in the house, nah? Standing in the house. Baby Sliss going back to sleep. She wrap up tight and she cools in. Chopping it, man. Block man here. Block man is killing me for real. Before they get in their house, they rather be in a shanty. A 7x7. Get through, fam, get through. All of them in the car. Yeah. Still raining. It's still raining. There's somebody there sat out here. Lay down over there. Watch movies. Listen to music. And that's relaxing. We in the car. Chopping. There ain't no shift gears. There ain't no shift gears, boy. Even the man on the block run. Even the man on the block running, boy. Tell me to stay inside. Star Matthew in the car. Chopping. I can end the vlog early today. But for right now, this weather ain't gonna change. It ain't gonna change. So all I can tell you is that I want to stay safe, stay inside, and check for me tomorrow. Anything that happen after there, I can chop it and put it in tomorrow's vlog. So don't miss that. And remember, stay safe and stay chopping all the time.